Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How have you all been doing? Hope you all have been resonating with the Shirdi Sai readings. I saw beautiful feedbacks in one of the videos where your experiences have been shared. I really liked it, but I would love to hear more and more stories because, as I said, the more you spread Baba's love and Baba's miracles, the more miracles come in your life. I was just, whenever I sit for Baba's readings, I just pick out some stories and I read, or I read the Sai Satcharitra where I read about this Mr. Cholkar. It's a beautiful story about him where he sits in a place where Baba's Kirtan is going on, and there he is so moved the way Baba's praise is being done by the Dasaganu. So what he does is he vows to Baba and he says, Baba, if I pass the exam and if I get a permanent post, I will come to Shirdi and I will fall on your feet and I will distribute sugar candy because Baba's one liking is also sugar candy. I think sugar candy uh, is the mishri, what we say in Hindi, and the kalkandu, what we say in Tamil. So he says like that, and he passes the exam. He gets a permanent post. Now he has given a promise to Baba, but he is a poor person. He has a big family to support, and end of the day, we say when it comes in front of the family, we sometimes forget things. So but he was anxious. He wanted to but fulfill his vow because he knew that he had to go there, he had to meet Baba. So he started seeing how to cut down expenses, what to do, and he started having tea without sugar. He thought he'll be able to save some money, and with that money he'll be able to go for the thing, so sugarless tea. That was one thing. So then after he was able to save some money, he was on the way to Shirdi. He fell in Baba's feet and then he offered him a coconut and with that he gave sugar candy, and he told Baba that he was very pleased to meet Baba, and Mr. And he was just what do I say, he was just astonished that he could do it. So then Baba tells the person over there, give him a cups of tea full of sugar. And Cholkar was just astonished. Why he was astonished? Because Baba is sitting somewhere, he is sitting somewhere, and how did Baba know? So then Baba tells him, I am with you day and night. I might be here bodily, but I can even go beyond seven seas. Now that is Baba. Baba usually is always there with us wherever we go. I have always told you all, wherever I go, I feel his presence. Whatever I do in my life, I feel he is watching me. When people also ask me, how come, for you, it's only Baba, everything. Don't you believe in other gods? I believe in all the gods. I believe there is one white light on top. But you find a guru in some. Just say, in my case, Maha Babaji is one of the gurus whom I follow. Baba is my ardent. I don't even say Baba is my God or my guru. I just say Baba is my mother, my father, my best friend, my bestie, my brother, everything, my sister. Whatever I want in my life, that is this man for me. So I think I told one huge story. I was reading that story in the morning and I was like, Baba, how you know everything everywhere, and how you just show that I might not be physically there, but I am with you in every walk of your life. Chalo, let's see what is the cards coming today. See, in his infinite compassion, Baba grants wishes. So Baba is compassionate towards everyone. Baba never ever has said this is what you need to do, but Baba only says have faith in me. So today Baba is saying you, he is ready to grant you wishes, he is ready to give you gifts. So but how will you get the gift? Have persistence. So when I see these two cards, what I feel is there are some of you who've been waiting for some news to come, or you've been waiting for something to get resolved in your issue in your favor, and it is not happening. So again and again keep knocking his door, keep fighting with him, not with me, sorry, with him, as I always say. Fight with him, tell him, I don't know, it is your headache, you have to get it done for me. And I'm sure when you fight with him and with this persistence, he will definitely give you what you're asking for, because ultimately we are his children, so he has no choice and he has to give us what we ask. So ask him, and I'm sure he is going to give you. And as usual, it is Thursday, so feed some stray dogs if you can, so that Baba is happy and Baba gives you more of his blessings. And today I felt I should tell you all, wear the color red. I don't know why I'm feeling guided to tell you all to wear the color red. And I feel as if Baba wants you all to keep an apple in front of him and pray to him, and then have that apple at the end of the prayers. And I'm sure Baba is going to give you your answers of whatever this apple he wants you to keep, and then eat it. Maybe some guidance will come, or something fruitful is going to happen today. So stay blessed, and may Baba bless you all, and may Baba always keep his hands on your heads, blessing you, protecting you, and taking care of you. Om Sai Ram.